Hi there, lovelies. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make some amazingly super easy and delicious sauteed veg. So we're using carrot as beans. You're going to go ahead and boil your water. When it comes to a boil, you're going to add some bouillon or salt, but I'm using bouillon. Pour your beans in here and your carrots. I just allow to cook for 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Then I put in an ice butter bath to stop the cooking process. So now I'm adding some olive oil to a pan and a little bit of butter. Make sure your heat is really low. You don't want to burn the butter. Then you're going to add your diced ginger and garlic. You can also add some bouillon here or complete seasoning. Give it a good toss and let it cook for about a minute or so. Then you're going to add your carrots and your beans. Make sure to drain all the excess water out. You're going to give it a nice toss. Make sure everything is really well combined with the butter, the ginger and the garlic and all that good stuff. If you want, you can add some chili flakes here. I omit because my daughter loves veg, so she's going to eat some. So that is why we omit. Thank you guys. Do enjoy. Bye-bye.